I've managed to pull in over $1,000 from each of my 3 TikTok accounts. It's been crazy, and I'm really surprised that more people don't talk about these niches for TikTok. That's why I'm making this video. After diving deep into research, I came across 3 niches that are flying under the radar but are grabbing a ton of attention. Initially, I was just exploring ideas for YouTube Shorts, but then it hit me. Why not give TikTok a shot? And boy, did it pay off. Way better than I ever imagined. Now, let's dive into the top 3 niches that are making bank on TikTok in 2024. Alright, let's kick things off with niche number 3. Niche 3, this niche is all about making money online. While it might not grab as many eyeballs as sports or gaming content, it's known for raking in some serious cash, boasting the highest RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, at over $5 for every 1,000 views. And what's awesome is that content like affiliate marketing videos can score big bucks outside of the creativity program. Creating content in this niche is all about dishing out helpful tutorials and proven methods. All you really need is a simple microphone. Your phone's built-in one will do just fine, and a screen recording program. Start off your video by chatting about the websites and apps people can use to make some extra income online. Many of these platforms offer affiliate programs, so you can sign up to the affiliate programs, get an affiliate link, and pop it in your bio. That way, if someone signs up or subscribes through your link, you get a slice of the pie, typically ranging from 5 to 40%. It's something to keep in mind across all niches. Once you've covered the basics, get into the actual specifics of the method in your video and share some helpful strategies. There's a ton of topics that you can make videos on, from affiliate marketing to content creation to drop shipping and so on. So let your creativity run wild and share your ideas on TikTok. For example, in early 2024, videos about the TikTok creativity program were all the rage. If you've got a unique way to make money on TikTok, share it on your account and ride the viral wave. Storytelling is key. If you can weave your tutorial into a personal narrative, your audience will connect with you on a deeper level. This builds trust, which opens the door to promoting products and making sales. And guess what? You don't even have to show your face. Here's my approach. I keep tabs on what's trending, enlist the help of free AI tools like ChatGPT to nail down the script, manually fine-tune it, and then piece it all together using tools like 11 Labs and CapCut. Remember, TikTok favors longer videos, so the more you can keep folks engaged, the more money you'll pocket. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a video editing whiz. Tools like CapCut make editing super easy. This niche is all about history. Again, this is a huge niche that you can make tons of videos on and that you can find a sub-niche in, whether it's focusing on wars, indigenous people and practices, a specific period of time, and so on. You'll actually have some fun creating this kind of content because the options are endless. You can whip up amusing history videos, compile lists of intriguing facts, or even spin tales where historical figures chat. It's all about making history fun and interesting. Now let's talk about how to create those list-type videos. First off, fire up ChatGPT and toss in a prompt that goes something like, write 10 little-known but interesting history facts and each concluding with a question. Next up, let's ask it to conjure up 3 scenarios for each of these facts. These scenario blurbs will serve as prompts for our AI image generator, Ideogram. In this box, I'll slap in the scenario description. Voila. This is what Ideogram whipped up for me, and I'm loving this scene. To nab it, simply click on the image and scout out the download icon. Then we'll swing by Runway ML, a handy website that turns static images into animated videos. Just toss your image onto this screen here, hit generate, and kick back while the AI works its magic. Rinse and repeat for the rest of the scenes. To fine-tune the video's pace manually, fiddle with the slider under the video and adjust the speed to your liking. You can even tinker with the camera motion for that extra oomph. To rustle up the voiceover for your video, circle back to ChatGPT and copy fact number 1, then head over to 11 Labs and paste the info into the white box. Take your pick from the drop-down menu for a voice and hit generate. Once you've given the voice a listen and made sure it's all good, it's time for the next step. Now it's time to bring the script, images, and voiceover all together, and to do this, we're going to use CapCut. By the way, you can of course use any tools that you're most comfortable with. I'm just showing you the ones I think are the easiest. CapCut is the quickest and simplest video editing tool, in my opinion. So here, you can sprinkle in transitions, effects, bespoke text, vintage filters, and auto-generated captions to jazz up your video. Let's have a look at the final product.
The Great Amu War, 1932. In Australia, the Great Amu War was a unique wildlife management military operation where soldiers were deployed to manage the emu population, which was causing havoc in Western Australia's farmland.
Niche 1, I am really excited about the potential of the last niche on our list today. Tech is such a fantastic area for newcomers to dip their toes into, especially with all the buzz around new cars and gadgets. From reviewing the latest iPhone to comparing Nikon and Fuji cameras, or even putting the newest luxury smartwatch through its paces, there's a ton of content waiting to be made. Tech content is like hitting the jackpot. A prime example of cashing in on this niche is the launch event for Tesla's Cybertruck. In case you're not familiar, the Cybertruck is Tesla's newest electric pickup truck, and its release caused quite a stir in the tech world. Just check out all these TikTok videos racking up millions of views. This niche is tailor-made for people who keep up with the latest tech happenings. You can whip up content like reviews, comparisons, and how-to guides for gadgets, drawing in a big crowd of tech fans eager to stay informed and ahead of the curve. But there's more to this niche than just making money from TikTok's creativity program. You can also dive into affiliate marketing, where you earn by promoting products through your affiliate link. And as your page grows, don't be shocked if companies start sliding into your DMs and offering cash to promote their products. Trust me, it's a profitable niche with endless opportunities. Here's another quick way of making videos for all of these niches. Head over to Leonardo AI, where you can sign up for a free account and where they give you 150 credits for free every single day. Generate an image, set it in motion to make your video, and then slap on an ElevenLabs voiceover. It's a total game changer when it comes to videos, so if it fits the bill for the niche you've chosen, definitely give it a whirl. And here's a bonus tip from me to get more inspiration in video ideas. Hunt down and pay attention to accounts that are killing it in these niches and look at the kinds of videos they're churning out. What editing style are they using? What's their opening line? How long are their videos? What are people saying in the comments? Understanding all of this will help you get a solid idea of what videos you should be making and will definitely amp up your views and strengthen your page. Remember, to get paid by TikTok, you'll need to have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So, to get monetized, make sure you're consistently posting good videos. I'd suggest once or twice a day, every single day, as that's what's been working for me. If you follow the tips I've shared in this video, I'm confident you'll do great, as I've personally seen the results. I really hope you got some good ideas from watching this video, and that you found this helpful. If so, I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more videos